This video will try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark beauties, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. There is a private attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews and have arguing by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Let's talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold